Video I will show you how to create a Gmail account on your Android device. First, head over to the Gmail app, open it, and then click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then click on add another account, the second last option. Click on Google. It will take some time and will ask you your password. It will again load, and then you will just have to click on create account option on the bottom left corner. For my personal use or your business, enter your first name and last name. So I will put another. Choose a password. Click on next. Click on I agree. It will take again some time to load, and there you go. Click on your profile icon again, and there you can see it. Your email has been created successfully. So that's it. That's how we create it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.